Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's time for another review. It's another in the Heinz beans range with different flavours. First one I did was that cathedral cheese. This one I saw and picked up. I've got one other to do, and this one we're doing, oh, excuse me, hang on. Barbecue beans. So we've done it like the last one, beans on toast. Hope everyone's well wherever you're watching, whether you're in the UK, Europe, America, Canada, wherever. Hope you're all happy, safe, doing whatever you need to do. As always, do please remember to like, subscribe, press the bell for notifications, tell your friends, tell your family, tell that random stranger in the street. And if you're watching on any social media apart from YouTube, get back over to YouTube. Mark Preston 9433. You know what to do. Like and subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. It'll cost you nothing monetary wise, literally 1 or 2 seconds of your time. 1 click subscribe, 2 click the bell for notifications, just as it says on the t-shirt. Thank you all very much. Well, we'll get on with the review now. As you know, if you've been with me a while, my scores are out of 5. If you're new to the channel, now you know too, you lucky people. Get a bit of the toast and a bit of the beans. Heinz beans are Heinz beans. They're a staple here in England. Nice subtle flavour of the barbecue. It's not overpowering, but it's not too, is it really there? It's just nice. Just about right, in my opinion. Getting out a bit of the beans, a bit of the toast. Very flavourful. At the baked bean, very flavourful for the barbecue flavour. Scores. I'm going to give it a 4.5. 4.5 out of 5 for the Heinz beans barbecue. Thank you all very much for watching. I've just recently gone over 1,000 subscribers, which I thank each and every one of you for. Please continue to support the channel. Helps me make these videos, and it means the absolute world to me. Thanks for watching. Until the next time. Bye.